Do you want to learn artificial intelligence but don't know where to start? Do you feel AI is too difficult, too technical, or only for experts? What if I tell you anyone can start learning AI step by step? So far, we have understood what AI is, how it works, its types, deep learning, risks, and even its future. But today, we answer the most important question: how can you start learning AI? Let's break it down into simple and practical steps. Step number one: build basic understanding. First, start with the basics. Understanding what AI is, what machine learning is, and what deep learning means. You do not need to rush. A strong foundation is more important than speed. Step number two: learn basic mathematics. AI works on mathematics, but don't worry, you don't need advanced math at the beginning. Just focus on basic algebra, simple statistics, and logical thinking. These are enough to start your journey. Step number three: start programming. And now comes an important step: programming. The most popular language for AI is Python. Start with basic syntax, variables, simple programs. You don't need to become an expert overnight. Step number four: learn machine learning. Once basics are clear, move to machine learning. Understand how machines learn from data. What are models? How predictions are made? This is where AI becomes practical. Step number five: practice with small projects. Learning without practice is incomplete. Start small. Simple prediction models, basic data analysis, small experiments. Every small project builds your confidence. Step number six: stay consistent. Consistency is the key. Even if you learn for 30 minutes daily, you will improve. Remember, AI is not learned in one day, it is a journey. And the good news is, anyone can start this journey, no matter their background. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a special background. All you need is curiosity, patience, and consistency. So today we learned to start AI, you need basics, math, programming, machine learning, practice, and consistency. Step by step, anyone can learn AI. In the next video, we will explore real tools and platforms you can use to start learning AI practically. So, stay connected and continue learning because the future belongs to those who take the first step today.